Hello, this is Jack from teachingeslonline.com. Now, Instagram have just implemented this new feature where you can turn your Instagram live video into an Instagram TV video. And I've actually just given a live Instagram lesson on my channel for English language learners. I'm going to just walk you through what to do once you finish the live lesson. Now, it says here that about 111 people watched it live. Now, what's a little bit frustrating is that the view count for when you save the live video to Instagram TV doesn't follow through. So it kind of like resets everything, which is a bit annoying. But when you click here, share to IGTV, what you can do, and this is something I looked into, is you can add, because at the moment, that is not the best cover photo. You can add from your camera roll. And I created a photo before, like an image, using Instagram TV requirements, okay? And I just downloaded something which was a PSD file and it just had this thing overlaid on it. I'll leave a link to that because it was very useful. I was gonna do this myself. But you can see that's what it's going to look like when people are on your Instagram TV feed. But then also it shows where the cutoff is for when you leave a preview on your normal Instagram feed. So if I click next, the next thing to do is to create a title. Now, I think you can change this after the fact. You can't change your cover, or at least I've not been able to update my past Instagram TV covers because I'd love to do that. So you have to do this ahead of time, which takes away a little bit of that live aspect when you just want to go live. But I'm just going to give it a title, phrasal verbs with get. Okay, I was put in brackets English lesson. You can change this later. And something you can also do is type up the description on your computer and then just copy and paste that in, because it can be a bit frustrating doing this on your phone. But I'll just speed this up a little bit. Okay, so I've written the title and description. I've left some hashtags in there too. Now there is the option now to add to a series. I'm gonna click that. It says create your first series. I'm not gonna do that right now, but obviously Instagram are pushing the Instagram TV platform. And I'm starting to watch more Instagram TV videos, but only because they're featured on the homepage when you get that little preview. And this is the important part. It says post a preview. A preview of your video will be shared to your feed and profile. I want that to happen because it then goes onto the homepage and more people are likely to pick up on this. I'm going to press post. It says video is uploading. It's going to refresh the page and there it is. So you can see, I'm going to show you a couple of things. You can see how the cover photo looks within the Instagram TV feed. And the last few I've done here, they were just on my phone and I didn't upload a cover. And you can see the difference. So that one, the new one, is a lot more eye-catching. It has a title on it. I actually looked at the font that Instagram uses and tried to find something similar to say English lesson on Instagram. And then if I go to the homepage, my profile page, and click up, you can see how it doesn't quite fit in there. And that's something that you might want to change too. So you might want to think about how can I get everything to fit into that small space in order for people to see exactly what it is. But I think that works okay for now. I'm just going to tweak that a little bit later. Now, the advantage of going live on Instagram, but then using that as evergreen content, is that for me anyway, it's a lot easier just to go live rather than recording a video like this and then recording for the edit. Because there's just a different dynamic when you are recording using a camera and then you're going to edit the video later. And there's something about it for me where I just get switched on once it goes live. And I'm there, I'm focused. I give my best lessons when I'm doing it live. So it does work really well for me. But because of this new feature where you can save the Instagram live lessons and then use them as IGTV videos, then this means that you can create a live lesson and have this evergreen content, which is great because a lot of people do struggle when it comes to creating new content for Instagram. Now, I'll leave a link to my Instagram profiles in the description. And if you want to learn more about using Instagram for your business, then go to the description too, because I'll leave a link to some of the videos I've made on this subject. And while you're down there, check out my course, which is all about email marketing and how to use email marketing in your business. If you enjoyed it, then please like and share it. Thank you so much for watching.